Thank you for this opportunity that we can go on live with you today. I'm here present today with Mr. Jim Stolze, who is representing TEDx Netherlands, but also with Sonja van Meerbeek, who is the project leader of TEDx. We have an important event taking place this year at the TEDx in Binnenhof, and the interesting part is that our Prime Minister of Aruba will also be participating in this TEDx. But it's not only the Prime Minister that is making it a very exciting program, but also to see all the innovative solutions and ideas that will be presented. So we're very happy to have Mr. Jim Stolze this afternoon with us.
I was appointed by TED.com. The website is the official ambassador for Europe, which means that I'm helping communities organize their own TEDx events and to help foster those communities around their ideas. So, for example, TEDx Amsterdam is one of the events that I've started, and TEDx Binnenhof, I'm proud to say, is another event that I'm curating and also that I'm presenting. And as you know, TED.com is a global movement around ideas. The motto is ideas worth spreading. It's been extremely successful in this mission. The website with all these online talks, as they're called, has received almost 2 billion page views. Usually TED is around technology, entertainment, design, but at TEDx Binnenhof we have shifted this focus. We are looking for solutions for global challenges, so huge challenges that we need to tackle, that we need to combat. And we found many speakers, 10 of them, who are experts in a certain field and who will present their solution for a challenge like CO2, like pollution, solutions like circular economy, all these hot topics that will be addressed by people who have an idea of spreading. The reason that Mr. Eman was invited by us as a speaker for TEDx Binnenhof is because of his unique approach. All our speakers have this specific solution for a challenge, but what we saw was that we also needed a speaker who has a holistic vision, somebody who could, like a conductor for an orchestra. An orchestra consists of musicians, talented musicians, but it's the conductor who lets them play together and brings them to greater heights. And we believe that Mr. Eman is such a conductor, somebody who has this integrated approach for this island, for Aruba, but also for other islands and other communities around the world. So we hope that by inviting him and giving him the stage at TEDx Binnenhof, he will inspire others to also articulate their vision and help them realize the potential of their communities, because that is the mission of TEDx.